Early New York architecture was significantly influenced by European colonial styles, particularly Dutch and English designs. Buildings from this period often featured simple, functional designs using locally sourced materials like wood and brick. Key characteristics of early New York architecture include symmetrical facades and gable roofs. Practical layouts designed for both residential and commercial use were common in early New York buildings. Early Dutch farmhouses exemplify the architectural style with their distinctive design and use of available materials. Georgian-style townhouses reflect the city's early development with their elegant symmetry and refined details. The 19th century saw a proliferation of architectural styles in New York, including Greek Revival, Gothic Revival, and Beaux-Arts. Greek Revival buildings featured classical columns and temple-like facades, reflecting a fascination with ancient Greece. Gothic Revival introduced pointed arches, ornate details, and religious motifs. Beaux-Arts emphasized grandeur, symmetry, and elaborate ornamentation, often seen in public buildings and mansions. These styles reflected the city's growing wealth and cultural aspirations. Each style contributed to the unique architectural identity of 19th century New York. The 20th and 21st centuries in New York City saw the rise of modernism in architecture. Modernist architecture is characterized by clean lines, functional forms, and the use of steel and glass. Skyscrapers became symbols of urban density and technological advancement in New York. Skyscrapers pushed the boundaries of engineering and architectural design. Art Deco skyscrapers of the 1930s exemplify early modernist design in New York. Minimalist glass towers represent the later stages of modernist architecture in New York.